Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the default font in Excel. So click on File, then hover cursor to More. Now click on Options. Now in General tab, you will see Font section here. Use this as the default font. So select any body font. You can change font size as default. Default view for new sheets. And also you can select include these many sheets, then click on OK. Please close and restart Microsoft Excel so that the font changes can take effect. So click on OK. Now close. Now reopen. So as we can see, default font is as we said before. So hopefully guys you like this video, and by these simple steps you can know how to change the default font in Excel. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video useful for you or not.